Hello student, in previous class we have studied about the text divisibility from 2 to 6. Here we have to study the divisibility of 8, 9, 10 family. So sir, test the divisibility of by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digits in the hundreds, tens and unit place is divisible by 8. Means if the last 3 digit of any number is divisible by 8, then that number will be also divisible by 8. यदि किसी संख्या का 100 प्लेस, 10 प्लेस, यूनिट प्लेस तीनों अगर 8 से divisible है तो that number will be also divisible by 8. Here we have to consider two numbers 5168 and 76152. So with the help of two numbers we have to show the divisibility of 8. First of all, take the last 3 digit, ones place, 100 place and tens place. The 100 place, hundreds place, tens place and unit place of 5168 is 168. 168 is divisible by 8. 168. Divide it by actual method. 168 by 8. 8 2 जा 60. 8 1 जा 8. So 168 is divisible by 8. 168 is divisible by 8. Hence 5168 is divisible by 8. In second number, the 100 place, hundreds place, tens place and unit place of 76,152 is 152. But divide 152 by 8. 8 1 जा 8. 7. 8 9 जा 70. It is divisible by 8. 152 is divisible by 8. Hence 76,152 is divisible by 8. In this way, we learn how to test the divisibility of 8. If last 3 digit or the 100 place, tens place and ones place, the digit of 100 place, tens place and ones place is divisible by 8, the number will be also divisible by 8. Here, we, with the help of these examples, we test the divisibility of tested the divisibility of 8. So in this way, यदि किसी नंबर की लास्ट 3 डिजिट या 100 प्लेस, वंस प्लेस, टेंस प्लेस अगर 8 से डिविजिबल है तो कोई संख्या जो है 8 से डिवाइड हो जाती है. यहाँ हमने उसको शो किया. नाउ टेस्ट divisibility of 9. test divisibility of 9. Here we have to test the divisibility of 9. For 9, if a number is divisible by 9, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. कोई संख्या 9 से डिविजिबल होगी if इसके सारे डिजिट्स का जो एडिशन है, जो सम है, वो 9 से डिविजिबल होगा तो दिस इज द divisibility just like the divisibility of 3. For example, so with the help of example, we have to check the divisibility of 9. First, so we take two example, 63,504. 63,504. This is first number, and second number is 81,396. 81,396. So, for the divisibility of 9, sum of digits of number will be also divisible by 9. So, sum of digits of 63,504 is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4. 6, 3, 9, 9, 5, 14, 14, 4, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 9 to the 18. So 63,504 is divisible by 9. Let's take the 81 second number. Sum of digits of 81,396 is equal to, we have to add the digits of the number 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6. 8 1 9, 9 3 12, 12 9 21, 21 6 27. 27 is divisible by 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 is divisible by 9. Hence 81,396 is divisible by 9. So these numbers are divisible by 9 because the sum of digits of both numbers is divisible by 9. So both numbers are divisible by 9. In this way we have to learn how to check the divisibility of 9. Now we have to test the divisibility of 10. Divisibility of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. किसी नंबर की यूनिट प्लेस अगर 0 हो तो दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 10. फॉर एग्जांपल, टेन 0 10 2 1 3 5 0 2 6 1 0 are divisible by 10 because the unit digit of these numbers unit digits of these numbers are 0. These numbers are divisible by 10 because the unit digit of these numbers are 0. So in this way we have learned the divisibility of 10. यदि किसी नंबर का यूनिट प्लेस 0 है तो नंबर टोटली 10 से डिवाइड हो जाए. Now test the divisibility of 11. For the 11, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of its digit in odd place and the sum of its digits in even place is either 0 or multiples of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of digits in odd places if the differences if the difference of sum of digits in odd places and the sum of digits in even places are 0 either side are either 0 or multiples of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of digits in odd place and the sum of digits in even places is either either 0 or multiples of 11. यदि किसी नंबर के we start from even place, we start from, take the example 161,000, example 61,809. Second example is 86,000, 8,63,420. A number is divisible by 11 if difference of sum of digits in odd places and the sum of digits in even places is either 0 or multiples of 11. यदि दी गई नंबर्स का जो इवन प्लेस है और ऑड प्लेस दोनों का सम निकालेंगे और दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. जैसे 1 2 3 4 5. सो इवन प्लेस 2 4, ऑड प्लेस 1 3 5. इसका सम निकालेंगे, इसको दोनों का डिफरेंस देंगे. यदि दोनों का डिफरेंस 0 हो या द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 11 हो या 1122 हो, तो दे आर divisible by. So sum, take the first number 61809. In this number sum of digits of odd places. Odd places is equal to 1. This is 1 plus 1, 3 and 5. This is 1. There are 4 digits. 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So sum of odd places 1 3 5. So one's place is 9 plus third place is 8, 5 place is 6, 9 8 17, 17 6 23. Sum of digits of even places. Places is equal to even place 2 4, 9 1 10. Even place is 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Difference of sum of odd places and even places. Even places is equal to 23 minus 1 is equal to 22. 22 is divisible by 22 is 22 is multiple of 11 का 11 to the 22 is a multiple of 11, hence 61,809 is divisible by 11. In this way, you have to find the sum of the digits of even places and the sum of digits of odd places, and you have to find the differences. If differences is 0, either the multiples of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. Now take the second number. we take the second number. See 8, 6, 3, 4, 2, 3. 8, 6, 3, 4, 2, 3. First we start numbering from unit place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we start sum of digits of odd places. Odd places 1, 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 1, 3, 5. 1st place 3, 3rd place 4, 5th place is 6. 4, 3, 7. 7, 6, 30. Sum of digits of even places. Even places is 2. 2 plus 3 plus 8, because even place is 2, 4, 6. 2 place 2, at the 4th place 3, and the 6th place is 8. 30. This is 30. Difference of odd places, difference of digits, difference of sum of digits of odd places and even places equal to 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. So difference of odd places. Difference here, we see that difference of even place and the sum of digits of even place and the sum of digits of odd place is 0. The difference of both, we see that this is 0. So difference of sum of digits of odd places and even places is 0. Hence 8,63,423 is divisible by 8. So all of us studied the divisibility of 11. If the sum of digits of even places and the sum of digits of odd places, and we take the differences of both, if the difference is 0 or the multiples of 11, then the number is divisible by 8. एक किसी नंबर के odd place के सम को और even place के सम को का डिफरेंस निकालते हैं, अगर वो 0 हो या 11 का मल्टीपल्स हो तो वो नंबर टोटली divisible by 8. In this way we have studied the divisibility of 8. So student, I think all of you have understood the test divisibility of different types of numbers without the actual division. I think all of you have understood how to test the divisibility of the numbers without actual division. I think all of you have understood. So it is sufficient for today. So we see in next video with next topic. Thanks for today.